Hey guys, before we get started in today's video, I just wanted to extend my condolences to the families, loved ones, and friends of Shayna Barneski and Carter Tilbury, who tragically lost their lives when this tornado struck the vehicle they were driving on that day. My sincerest thoughts and condolences go out to all of you and everyone who is affected by this tornado. With that being said, here is our one-year look back at the Scarth, Manitoba tornado of August 7th, 2020. Careful, that's a tornado right there. See the ground rotation? The funnel's condensing at the top there and there's rotation on the ground. So I would, I wouldn't go that way. It's kind of coming pretty much right where we are right now. You too, thanks. Oh, we're gonna have to move. It's coming right at us.
Yeah. Oh, I'd say that's ping pong for sure.
Yep.
Ping pong size.
Here she comes down. Yep. She's starting to condense right here. There is ground rotation. Holy crap. Okay, we're gonna move.
Yep.
You can hear it.
I've never heard it before, really.
You can hear the roar. Oh, power flashes. No, we gotta move a little further down.
Yeah.
4 a.m. Central Standard Time, Friday, August 7th, 2020.
So beautiful.
Thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions.
Wow. That debris.
Hold that for me.
Oh my God. That's not very strong though. Got leaves. Yeah. Oh wow.
This is straight south of Manitoba. my God!
I'll take it.
Massive tornado on the ground.
Last 2 years, let's be honest. Yes. I can't. I'm shooting.
Okay, right.
Here, I can take the stream, yeah.
Just get me a couple.
Okay.
Oh my God.
This thing is nuts.
So
And it's going and going.
Oh yeah, it is.
And that idiot keeps coming.
That's Aaron J-Jack. He's a chaser. Oh, that black car. That car got hit. My gosh.
Oh man.
Do you have a second to look on your map, see if we got a east road here right away?
We've got 255 to straight.
Oh, but that's behind us. Oh no, that's ahead of us. Never mind.
Yeah,
Okay, we're
that's
good.
Verdant over there, so.